What's going on, my beautiful family? Well, I'm trying something different new. It's not groceries, it's electronics and computers. They do have some TVs in here too. I just came to see what deals they have. I wanted to show you guys. I know that they've been a shortage on chips. I don't know how that's going to affect us in the future for computers, for cell phones. I just wanted to give you guys a update, because there is a big shortage on graphics cards here at Microcenter as well, and pretty much everywhere else, ever since the new graphics cards have came out. And the chips do affect us all the way around, especially with vehicles, shortages, inflation, and also for our cell phones in the future, man. If we don't get chips, they won't be able to furnish us any new future cell phones. Stay tuned. I'm about to give y'all guys a tour. And remember, for those who are new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe, and also please hit that like button. And mainly, for those that are subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so it can remind you every time I do post a new video. All right? And I appreciate the love and support, family. Give me a second. So this is the Microcenter here in Duluth, Georgia. Just thought I'd give you guys a quick tour and see what deals they got going on. Okay, so the Microcenter COVID return policies. To help keep our associates and customers safe, the following products are not eligible for return: VR headsets, headphones, microphones, all phones, and all watches. So they do have a lot of PC towers available, as you can see. Just wanted to try something new to give you guys, see what deals they have going on as well. They also do have labor here as well that they do charge. Also, I have personally bought stuff here. If you buy their warranty, I know that for a fact. When you buy their warranty, if you get a 2-year warranty and something happens to your products before those 2 years are up, they give you your money back on a gift card for you to buy the next thing, or if they don't have it, you can buy the next thing up, the latest product that's out. And if it gets damaged by lightning or if it gets wet or anything, they do have a damage protection plan as well. Their plan is very awesome. I have done it multiple times on a few monitors that I've had in the past. And their return policy is awesome. They're awesome here. They do take care of you. And they're very knowledgeable on their products as well.
And are we taking this over the surface, or where are we taking it?
Motherboards. $2.99 for this table here. i7 Intel Core 269, i9 349. So the CPUs are not that expensive or ridiculously high. Oh wow, Ryzen 7 299, 249. Where's the Ryzen 9 at? Ryzen 9 549. Ryzen 9 399. What, people? They got a RTX 3060 in stock for $589. Wow. See, in order to ensure that there are more customers that have opportunity to purchase video cards, Microcenter is restricted video card sales, one per customer every 30 days. They used to not do this. You used to be able to come and get it as much cards as you want before. $1,549 for the 3080 Ti, people. 3070 Ti, $949. So the graphics card are back in stock, people. They are back in stock. Motherboards over here. So these are your monitors over here. Got the laptops and desktops back here. $799 for this 34-inch monitor.
That was the
Tony, how you doing?
You looking for anything in particular?
So it can identify just one thing, identify multiple. If it's too expensive to, we'll go ahead and actually buy back. So if the repair cost was like $800, for example, because the CPU motherboard and GPU went out,
Those prices are high due to the chip shortages. Man, I remember you could buy a cheap laptop and get away with it. Not now.
also works is that, say like, we play with them from now because it came out. Sorry, 12th gen. The 13th gen might come out, this November might come out next year, whatever. Out, it's out of generation. We'll give you that generation's part as the so we'll give you the new one. So we're not going to go back and try and upload like a for i5 12th gen. We'll just give you the i5 13 or 14 or 15 gen, whatever whatever is possible. And again, if it's possible, do that. Otherwise, if it's not possible, you go ahead and just we'll do the full it's worth it. Also, this
Well, look at this Galaxy book. I mean, it is a book. It's not running like a like an operating systems or anything like that. But look at this Samsung right here, $279, and that one down there was $319. They also do carry TVs as well. As you can see, they got a 86-inch for $1,700, and that one was an LG. This is a Samsung for $2,600, 85-inch. But I'll walk you over here to the TVs. Here's a Samsung HD Smart LED TV for $599. It's a 50Q60A. 600 bucks, people. There's a QLED down here. It's a Neo for $1,099. Save 500 bucks on it. This was an LG 65-inch for $699. This is an LG 55-inch for $1,099. They do have projectors as well. $65-inch, $699. You get this boombox here for free with a purchase of an LG TV. $65-inch for $1,000. And the Samsung is 55-inch right here for $499. Got all their gaming entertainment center back here. All their gaming stuff, their headsets. Then they got a knowledge bar back there. They have cell phones you can come and buy. These are unlocked phones, I think. Watches as well. I mean, they got everything PC and electronics as well here at a Microcenter. Car cameras, tablets. Excuse me.
Just take two.
Yo salí para el centro comercial y me tiré una foto. Este clima.
Well, people, there you have it. I gave you a tour of Microcenter. I mean, you guys tell me what you think. What did you think about this video? Did y'all like it? Or do y'all want me to stick to the norm, what I was doing? Just let me know. I'll mix it up. It's not a problem. I'll do what you guys want me to do. Just let me know. And I appreciate it. Remember, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe, that like button. Also, please make sure you hit that notification bell, all right? Thank you, family. I'll see you on the next one.